simplify first bit x square minus 5 in brackets into x plus 5 in brackets plus 25. To simplify, see here. First bit x square minus 5 x plus 5 plus 25. Now, to simplify this expression, first with this term we should multiply this bracket, that is x square term times x plus 5. In the same way with minus 5 we should multiply this bracket, that is minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25 as it is. Now here you should open up the brackets in this way. You get x square into x plus x square into 5. Now here we should open up the brackets in this way, that is minus into plus minus 5 into x, minus into plus minus 5 into 5 plus 25. Now x, so result you write x, and power is sum of the powers, that is 2 plus 1 3, plus in this first we write the number, now the letter x square, minus number and x appeared only once, so x, minus 5 into 5 is 25 plus 25 as it is. Now in this expression we have minus 25 and plus 25, so they cancel out. So we are left with x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. We don't have any like terms, so this cannot be simplified further. So this is our answer. Now second bit. A square plus 5 b cube plus 3 plus 5. Now to simplify this, first with a square we should multiply this bracket, and then with plus 5 we should multiply this bracket. What I mean is a square into b cube plus 3 plus 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5. Now with a square you open the brackets. We get a square into b cube plus a square into 3 plus here you open the brackets with plus 5. So 5 into b cube plus 5 into 3 plus 5. Now here we have a only once, so that will remain. B also present only once, so write as it is, plus in this the number you will write first. Now letter A has come only once, so as it is you write, plus here the number 5, letter B has come only once, so you write as it is, plus 5 into 3 15 plus 5. Now a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube. Now these two are constants or numbers. Plus 15 plus 5 is plus 20. We don't have any other like terms in this expression, so this cannot be simplified further, so this is our answer. Now third bit. T plus s square and t square minus s. To simplify this, first with t we should multiply this bracket, and with plus s square we should multiply this bracket. What I mean is t times t square minus s plus s square times t square minus s. Now here we should open up the brackets in this way, that is t into t square minus t into s, plus here also we should open up the brackets in this way, that is s square into t square minus s square into s. Now here t, so we get t, and the power will be sum of the powers, that is 1 plus 2, 3, minus here the letters are different, so they will remain like that only, plus here also the letters are different, so they will remain like that only, minus here s, so you write s, and the power is, add the powers, 2 plus 1, 3. Now over here in this expression we do not have any like terms, so this cannot be simplified further, so this is our answer. Now fourth bit. Fourth bit is a plus b, c minus d plus a minus b, c plus d plus twice of ac plus bd. Now in this, first with a we should multiply this bracket, and then with b we should multiply this bracket, that is a into c minus d plus b into c minus d, plus even over here with a we should multiply this bracket, that is a times c plus d. Now with minus b we should multiply this bracket, that is minus b into c plus d, and this here you multiply with 2, directly open the brackets, that is 2 into ac plus 2 into bd. Okay, next. Now with a you open up the brackets, you get a into c minus a into d, and here with b you open up the brackets, we get b into c minus b into d, and here with a we should open up the brackets, that is a into c plus a into d. Now here careful, here we should open up the brackets with minus b. Over here it was plus, so it was easy. Now here it is negative. First negative into plus minus b into c. Now minus into plus minus b into d. And over here 2 into ac is 2ac plus this is 2bd. Okay. Next. Now here these two letters are different, so you will get AC, minus these two letters are different, so it is AD, plus these two are different, so BC, minus these two letters are different, so BD, plus these two letters are different, AC, plus these two letters are different, AD, minus these two letters are different, BC, minus these two letters are different, BD, plus 2AC plus 2BD. Okay. Now to simplify this, we should find out the like terms, starting with AC. Do we have AC anywhere else in this expression? Here AC, here we have AC, and here. Now look at the numbers before that. Here it is 1 and here also it is 1 and here it is 2. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So we get 4 AC. Next AD. Here we have AD. Do we have AD anywhere else? Yeah, here it is AD, that's it. Now before AD it is -1 and before AD it is +1. So -1 plus 1 cancel out. Next term BC. Do we have BC anywhere else? Yeah, here. Here it is +1 BC and here it is -1 BC. They cancel out. Next term BD. Do we have BD anywhere else? Here and here. So now look at the number before them. -1, -1 and +2. So -1 minus 1 is -2, -2 into +2 is 0. So these three are gone. So no other terms are left out. So this is our answer. Next, fifth bit, that is x plus y, 2x plus y plus x plus 2y, x minus y. Now to simplify this, first over here with x we should multiply this bracket. We get x times 2x plus y. In the same way with plus y we should multiply this bracket, that is plus y into 2x plus y. Now here with x we should multiply this bracket, that is plus x into x minus y. Now with plus 2y we should multiply this bracket, 2y into x minus y. Now here you open up the brackets in this way. You get x into 2x plus x into y plus, now here we open up the brackets in this way. We get y into 2x plus y into y plus, now here open up the brackets. You get x into x minus x into y. Now even over here you open up the brackets. You get plus 2y into x plus minus 2y into y. Plus into minus, minus, so 2y into y. Next, in this first we write the number 2. Now x, you write x and the power is sum of the powers. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus, here the letters are different, so you write as it is, plus in this number first 2. Letters are different, so you write as it is, plus y will result in y, power is sum of the powers. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus x, power is sum of the powers, 1 plus 1, 2 minus, letters are different, so you write as it is, plus here number first, letters are different, so xy minus number y, you get y, power, add the powers, 1 plus 1, 2. Now we should simplify this, starting with x square term. Do we have x square term anywhere else? Yeah, here. Now look at the number before x square. Here we have 2 and here it is plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 x square. Next, after x square we should look at y square term, or else fine. Next term is xy. Do we have xy term anywhere else? Yeah, here and also here and here. So number before xy here is plus 1, and here before xy is plus 2, and here before xy is minus 1, and here before xy is plus 2. So plus 1 plus 2 is plus 3, minus 1 is plus 2, plus 2 plus 2 is plus 4 xy. Next, y square term. Do we have y square anywhere else? Here. Now look at the number before y square, plus 1 minus 2. So plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 y square. Now all are unlike terms. We cannot simplify this. This is our answer. Next, sixth bit. 1.5 x minus 4y. 1.5 x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5 x plus 12y. Now, to simplify this, first here with 1.5x we should multiply this bracket, that is 1.5x times this entire bracket, 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Now with minus 4y we should multiply this bracket, that is minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. This no change, plus 12y. Okay. Next. Now with plus 1.5x you open up the brackets. So plus into plus we get plus. So 1.5x into 1.5x plus into plus plus 1.5x into 4y plus into plus plus 1.5x into 3. Now here also we should open up the brackets in this way, but careful, here we should not miss negative. So negative into plus minus 4y into 1.5x minus into plus minus 4y into 4y. Now minus into minus minus 4y into 3. This no change. Clear so far? Next. Now here, first numbers 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25. X here you write, and the power is sum of the powers, 1 plus 1 2. Now plus first numbers 1.5 into 4 is 6. These are different letters, so write as it is. Now here numbers 1.5 into 3 is 4.5. Letter x is present only once, so x. Now here minus 4 into 1.5 is 6. Letters are different, so you write as it is. Now here minus 4 into 4, 16. Y, write here y, power, add the powers, 1 plus 1, 2. Minus here numbers 4 into 3, 12. Y appeared only once, so write Y. Here no change. 5x plus 12y. Now let us simplify this entire expression. Here we have x square. Do we have anywhere x square term? No. So this you write as it is. Next, xy term. Do we have anywhere xy term? Yes, here. That's it. Now before xy, here you have plus 6 and here you have minus 6. So plus 6xy minus 6xy cancel out. Next, x term. Do we have anywhere x? Yeah, here. Now before x we have plus 4.5 and before x minus 4.5. So plus 4.5x minus 4.5x cancel out. Next, y square. We don't have any other y square term, so you write as it is. Next term is y. Here also we have y term. Now before y it is minus 12 and here plus 12. So minus 12y plus 12y cancel out. No other terms are left out. So this is our answer. Next, 7th bit. 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now, to simplify this, first with 1.5x we should multiply this entire bracket, that is 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Now with minus 4y we should multiply this entire bracket, that is minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. These two terms no change. Okay, next. Now here let us open up the brackets in this way. That is, here it is plus, plus into plus, plus. So 1.5x into 1.5x. Now plus into plus, plus 1.5x into 4y. Plus into plus, plus 1.5x into 3. Now here we should open up the brackets with minus 4y. That is minus into plus minus 4y into 1.5x minus into plus minus 4y into 4y minus into plus minus 4y into 3. This no change, minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now here first we should multiply the numbers. 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25. X into x, x. Add the powers. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus, here multiply the numbers first. 1.5 into 4, 6. Letters are different, so you write as it is. Plus 1.5 into 3, 4.5. X appeared only once, so x. Minus, multiply the numbers. 4 into 1.5, 6. Letters are different, so you write as it is. Minus, multiply the numbers. 4 into 4, 16. Y, you write y and add the powers. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 4 into 3, 12. Y appeared only once, so write as it is. minus 4.5x plus 12y. Okay, next. Now here we have x square term. Do we have anywhere else x square term in this? No. So this as it is you write 2.25 x square. Next, xy term. Do we have xy term anywhere else? Yeah, here. Now number before xy here is plus 6 and here it is minus 6. They cancel out. Next term is x. Do we have x term anywhere here? Yes, x. Now number before x is plus 4.5 and here it is minus 4.5. So plus 4.5x minus 4.5x cancel out. Next term y square. Do we have y square term here? No. So this as it is you write. Next term y. Here also y. Before y it is minus 12 and here it is plus 12. So minus 12y plus 12y cancel out. No more terms are left out. So this is our answer. Next, 8th bit. A plus B plus C, A plus B minus C. Now, to simplify this, first with A, we should multiply this entire bracket, that is A times A plus B minus C. In the same way with plus B, we should multiply this entire bracket. In the same way with plus C, we should multiply this entire bracket. Okay, understood with this step? Next. Now we open up the brackets with plus A. So we get A into A plus A into B minus A into C. In the same way here you open up the brackets with plus B. So we get plus B into A plus B into B plus into minus minus B into C. Now here you open up the brackets with plus C. So we get plus C into A plus C into B minus plus into minus minus C into C. Okay, next. Now here A, we get A power, you add the powers, 1 plus 1 we get 2 plus, here letters are different, so as it is you write, minus letters are different, so as it is you write. Here also letters are different, so as it is you write. Whether BA or AB doesn't matter. Next, B, you write B. Power is add the powers, 1 plus 1, 2. Next, letters are different, so as it is you write. Plus, letters are different, as it is you write. Whether CA or AC, same thing. Plus, letters are different, so you write as it is. Minus C, power, add the powers, we get 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now we should simplify this. Here it is A square. Do we have A square term anywhere else? No. So you write it down as it is. Next, AB. Do we have AB term anywhere else? Yes, here. That's it. Now look at the number before them. Here it is plus 1 and here also plus 1. So we get plus 2AB. Next, AC term. Do we have AC term anywhere else? Yes, here. Now number before them, here it is minus 1 and here it is plus 1. So minus 1 AC plus 1 AC cancel out. Next, B square. Do we have B square anywhere else? No. So you write it down as it is. Next, minus BC. BC term. Do we have BC anywhere else? Here. Now here it is minus 1 and here it is plus 1. So minus 1 BC plus 1 BC cancel out. Now we are left with minus C square. Now here all our unlike terms cannot be simplified further. So this is our answer.